Okay, now we're going to introduce about our smart lock management platform. First, we can say it is website. It's no need to install any software, so it's very easy for us to operate. Then we log in with the account and the password. So in the first page, we can see there are a lot of communities listed here. So if you have a lot of properties, it's very easy to manage. So we can create a new community. We can input the informations here and the prices. After that, we can add rooms. For example, you have hundreds of rooms under this community, so you can create. So you can continue to add different rooms, and after that we can set administrator for this building. For example, remember this password, because later we have to use this password to log in the mobile app. Let's make it easy. 126. And after that, we can say there is a login ID here. We have to use this ID to log in our iSurpass mobile app, and the password is 126 to add the devices there. After that, all the devices under our account will be also listed in this platform. For example, we say this room I have already added the devices. You see it's iLog 15. And for example, now I rent this house to a new customer, and I don't want to give him the keys, so I can create him as a pin code user. Let's say China. His name is Steven. And I'll give him a pin code user. And also you can choose card user if the log spot. And he is the number 2 to live in this room. I will assign the code. The code will be 1 2 3 7 8 9. And let's set time here, for example, 2 weeks. You can see, so Steven, the number 2 pin code user, and the start time and the end time here. So this is the iLog 15. Now let's try to unlock the door with his pin code. Just now I make it 1 2 3 7 8 9. You see, I can open the door now. And meanwhile, we can check the door lock log here. This is the lock information. It is online. This is the installation address and also the lock. You see, just now I opened the door. And this is the full information. And this is the listed gateways in your platform. And in the device page, we can see right now we mainly support the door lock, electric meter, and water meter. For the other devices, you can, for example, security sensors, you can see it in the mobile app. We didn't support it on this platform because it is mainly for the smart lock management. And also you can see the gateway, we can see all the gateways and the online devices and offline devices. This is the my personal information. Font warning. We listed all the devices fault here. If your device is failure, we will list it here. So it's very easy for the engineer to check and repair. This is the system log. You can say today I have added a lot of communities and rooms, and it also records the time and my IP address and the operator. We also have the reports for different devices. This is the electricity and water, hot water, and total charges. So it's very easy for the owner to total charge your information. And also you can quick search here by the communities and by the building to search the information. At last, this is the cost statistics. In China, we have used this function. For example, someone want to rent my house. After I create his information, I will also ask him to pay me some deposit for the room. So I will deducted the charges every month automatically. I don't need to call him or message him or text him to pay me the charges. And also we can say in our system we have this a very good system to show you the room numbers, charges and balance and all cost and the total information. And we also sent the guests the messages for every month at the fixed time to push them to pay the rent. So if someone didn't pay me, I can stop his electricity, so he have to come and pay me. So it's very useful for your management.